All right, we're good. What's it look like, boss? Somebody donated $100. Hmm. Why are there four of us? Yeah, it looks like a fucking mess, but yeah, I see it. What shit on the bottom? Are you gonna have to do this for each individual screen? God, I hope not. I think it looks good to me. Good? All right, perfect. Now that we've done the technical difficulties and gone through it again, my guy, like we do every single fucking episode of this goddamn podcast, let's get down to it. The first topic is gonna be the debt ceiling. Oh wait, no, we forgot the intro. We're stupid. It's been a little while. Oh wait, we don't even have an intro, do we? We just kind of say what's up. What's up? All the secrets. Yeah, boy. But first we need to talk about this damn debt ceiling that's going on right now, and the uh the outcome it could have on the markets. In terms of raising it.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. With regard to the reckless tax and spending bill, I think we have pretty well analyzed how
What are
to
you laughing
describe
at,
this
bro?
in a few words. It hurts American families and helps China. But that's just the beginning of the challenges that we're faced with in
Okay.
trying to defeat this terrible, terrible bill. But I
Are
want
you
to
gonna
focus for a
stream
minute
it?
on the debt ceiling. Look, we all agree America must never default. The debt ceiling will need to be raised. We have a Democratic
Dude,
president,
Mitch gets me geek
Democratic
every
House,
time he comes on
Democratic
and
Senate.
talks. Oh my god, bro.
They have decided to, with the possible exception of infrastructure, all year long, to operate on a partisan basis. A $1.9 trillion bill earlier this year that all of us opposed for darn good reason,
This man is built like a turkey, bro.
and
Oh my
this
god.
reckless tax and spending measure, which could range from $3.5 trillion to $5 trillion.
He
So
actually looks
my
like the
advice
fucking
to this
turkey, bro.
Democratic government,
Got the
the
whole neck
president,
gobbler and
the
everything.
House, and the Senate, don't play Russian roulette with our economy. Step up and raise the debt ceiling to cover all that you've been engaged in all year long. So no effort on their part to describe our position as irresponsible makes any sense because the facts are indisputable. This is a totally democratic government. They have an obligation to raise the debt ceiling, and they will do it.
And of course, that happening is completely out of the Fed's control, so they would have no say so in interest rates going down until that all is resolved, right? It's, and how would you say the market would react to this? And then how soon would it have an effect? I think they got it at 1.6. It was originally at 2.9. I'd have to double check real quick. One trillion. My man said my calculations. Let me grab my calculator real quick. Yeah, man. Hey, Will, we need to change your name in the Discord to we we need to change it to Dub Economist. That's what it's gonna be. 12,000. Yeah. Yeah, boy. That is a lot of money to spend in a short amount. No, I mean, I think more of the worry is raising the debt from the Fed. I think once they had mentioned, hey, we can't spend this much money, no way, it ain't gonna happen. They had to then negotiate a lower number for the bill. Right. Because we would be over leveraged at that point. Oh my god. Okay, so in the event that they do pass, which you said you do believe that they will, in the event that they do pass the infrastructure bill and the debt ceiling, is the economy okay? I see. No bueno. Not good. So right now we think, however, that the bill will be passed and the debt ceiling will be raised, and in the short term, speaking, one within Biden's presidency, the economy will withstand. Well, of course, there's always shit that always is gonna pop up, but outside of that, it's okay. By the way, it just broke all-time highs. Yeah, which by the way, the, inflation, there was a, I forget what the hell it was, hang on. Let me see if I can find it on no, I'm not gonna be able to, but, the inflation just broke out of its trend. It was at, the peak of its trend line, like, on the graph, and it broke out, and now it's upward and going out of fucking control. Yeah. You're getting robbed. Oh, man, damn. Fucking Jesus Christ. Like, micro fucking chips, bro. What have you heard about the ship sitting off the coast right now? That can dock? That's fucking horrible, dude. Horrible. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on. I don't know why the hell people are not going out right now and getting jobs. This is terrible for the economy. No, there's no way the unemployment rate is that low. Yeah, where are these people working at? I don't see them. See 'em. I don't know, man. I don't know. I think that shit is real fucking odd. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of shit that does not make sense right now. Everywhere around me, I feel like is like short staffed as hell. Unless it's like, well, I mean, it might just be Kroger, bro. It might just be Kroger. Not gonna lie, because everywhere else, like Walmart is not short staffed. Walmart's at $15 minimum wage and they're full staff. No, right. So I have a feeling. So my gut feeling is what's going on right now is people are only going to these businesses that have job openings at the locations in which they're able, for company wise, that are able to pay these the minimum wage increase. And the ones that aren't, well, ain't nobody going there because obviously there's higher job or higher pay opportunities other elsewhere. And who the hell knows? I mean, I'm not a fucking genius. I'm not even at one of the minimum wage jobs for $15 an hour. I work at Kroger and they're not there yet, but Walmart is, and they won't let anybody work there just because they already have a full staff. So I mean, my gut feeling is people are being turned away by these capped minimum wage jobs and aren't willing to go work less than what the minimum wage is at currently, and so they're just taking unemployment. Something ain't adding up. Yeah. No, no. This shit is a whole bunch of fugazi, if you ask me. All right, but on to topic number 2, which will be the market direction tomorrow. Big guy, I need you to put my screen back up there. And let me know when I'm up there, boy. All right, everybody. Here we see. Banging right here. Nice, bullish pattern, very clean, very clean. The only thing I see is there's a potential to be a flat day tomorrow, and I see this, and I'll explain that later on in just a second. However, there is 100 or over 100K call options expiring tomorrow, currently in the money. If during pre-market, buy, dear God, pray, can hold its current level or rise. If it rises, we're golden. If it can hold, we're golden. But if it drops, like, I think it's like 25 cents or more, we're fucked. The Bulls or the Bears win, and it's a red day, and we're probably going to drop out of trend. And the only thing that's going to be printing is puts. So, yeah, be ready for that. Let's see. Yeah, oh yeah, but there is bullish things that happen today, which make me which add on to the 100K calls that expire tomorrow, and these things also make me believe that this thing is just gonna shoot out and break out of this yeah, the trend. Jesus Christ, it's my fault. Break out of the trend. One thing is we've been over this EMA 9 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So about a full day. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, we closed over this for a full day, EMA 9 on the daily. So we go here in the trend. We've got long bull flag, bullish pennant, and right now, bullish pin is a continuation pattern. So that's what makes me think it's going to continue up in a bullish pattern. However, we have a lot of puts, which I think it was a solo in the trading or in the Discord who mentioned the ratio for the put to call ratio, and that's at 1.49, which means a significant amount or a ratio over zero point 0.7 for put to call. And going into over 1.0 is considered bearish. Anything over 1.0 is considered super bearish. And right now we're at a ratio of 1.49, which obviously that's bearish. So there's a significant amount of puts against the calls that expire tomorrow, which could have an impact, which is why Solo mentioned something about a short squeeze, which is something that which is something to also pay attention for. If we do open tomorrow red and we come down to this trend line and those, or more buyers or people start buying when it gets to this demand zone, then there's great potential for a short squeeze. Now, say the sell pressure is too much and it's too strong, then we fall right through. Puts will print, but that's around 442.50. That's the level to look out for. If we fall through that, golden print all day on the puts. And Will, you got anything to add about that for market direction? Anything you've heard economics wise as to what could possibly determine tomorrow's direction? Smooth sailing. Love to hear it, my guy. All right. And that's about all I have for the market direction. Let me read here. See, I don't have any more notes. All right. Yeah, I think the only thing to watch out for is pre-market. Be there for pre-market. We need to make sure we either hold these levels or continue upward. If we don't, watch for 442.50. If we break downward of that, put central, and those are the only thing you need to know about SPY that I have written down. So I mean, I guess that's all that mattered to me before the podcast. Topic number 3. Top 3 stocks or well, yeah, stocks, you could say stocks to watch for tomorrow being Friday, the 15th. And number one, I'm going to start with Clean Spark. I've been talking to a couple of you guys in the Discord about it for a little while now. I've got a many long calls on it. A couple spreads on there. Let me, where the hell is it at? Why can't I not find it? There it is. Bang. This is what we got. The one day we got a falling wedge breakout on the one day, closing above the EMA 9. Uh, and the falling wedge, I don't know if you know, but it's also a continuation pattern. So once broken out, or no, it's a reversal pattern. My fault. I'm stupid. Once broken out, it's said to reverse up, and this is the start of the uptrend. So this right here, swinging calls, beautiful. These will print long out. Let's see, like November 5th, December 17th, December 12th, anywhere in there. Those calls will definitely print. Let me see what else I got. Oh yeah, tomorrow we're looking for the level to break tomorrow is gonna be 1599, right up here where we touched the top last time. Right up in here, you can see this peak. This is where we got to get past. If we can break past this tomorrow, golden, then we're going up to 1650, 16 wherever this pivot point is and the resistance line is that you can see on the map. Once we get there, that's gonna determine the direction for the rest of the day. But get past $15.99, $16 golden, and we're making money. And I'm only swinging it for a day or two. That's what I do with my swings. I don't sit there and hold it unless I'm like golden and I truly trust the market that we're in, and this is not the market for me to be doing that in. So I'm taking the profits I get, scaling out 25, 50%, and then 100%, 3 contracts, and that's just what I do. Next one is going to be fuel cell. Let me see if I can find that real quick. Fuel cell right there. Oh, I don't even got a trend on this bad boy. It's alright. Oh, wait, yeah, I do. It's in the hour. I'm full. Alright, so fuel cell, this is actually one of the ones I'm pretty excited about. Will, you'll like this from my boy. Nice cup and handle right here. I know you see that. Cup and handle tomorrow is going to be real nice. Playing fuel cell again, back to back. We've done this before on this podcast. We've done it before in the Discord. We've made a shit ton of money on this in shares. We rode it from $15 to $30. Played puts on it from 25 down to 20 to 20 down to 17 to 17 down to 14. Haven't touched it since. And now here we are back uh, to ride this fucking bull trend back up to where it truly belongs, which is around $30. Long term. Don't hold me on that in like a week, or I'll have some of you guys crying. Looking for a major breakout tomorrow, also in a bullish or yeah, a bullish pennant. This is the trend, the bullish pennant right here, which is a continuation pattern, and then we have the cup and handle within the bullish pennant, which is also it's like ultra mega bullish. It's like this is like the best thing that you could possibly ask for. It's like the most bullish candlestick pattern within a very bullish trend for continuation. So I mean, calls tomorrow, boys. Calls tomorrow. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. Charge point on to the next one. Here we go. This is the one that I was talking about today, the one that had most of our shitting our fucking pants, bro. Cause my boy Cody Hawkins got in here heavy. I'm in here heavy. A couple other people we got in here. I know. I got some of the people that I manage their accounts. I've got them in here. So this is a good one for me. I'm pretty confident in this one right now. We have a falling wedge, which is a reversal pattern. So it's gonna come out of here typically. It's a bullish reversal pattern comes out of here, but this right here you see is on the 1 hour. Now this trend outside is on the daily, in which is this. We're trying to break out of this bullshit right here. And we're not quite there, but we're also not quite rejecting or not quite out of it. We're just at the top, so we haven't rejected. We're still closed above EMA 9 on the daily. On the 1 hour, fell below EMA 9, which is why I'm looking to bounce off this trend line right here. I don't believe it'll fall through it. This is pretty strong, as you can see. came, touched it twice, started here. That's when the trend starts. Came, touched it twice, bounced up, came to the top, rode it a little bit, down to the bottom. I say to ride it a little bit, break out around here, and then back on tomorrow we go. You can ignore this line; it's irrelevant. It already started a different trend, so I'll shrink that for you so you're not confused. Bang, and then up here, back up to this trend line we go on the daily to break out. And Will, you see anything that I'm missing, my guy? Or you got any stocks you want to add? Big run. You heard a dub economist over here. Says crypto is ready for a run. Excuse my burp. Uh, I think that's all we got. I only had 3 topics written down for discussion. Should be about a 30-minute video. And you guys can watch it tomorrow morning when you wake up, tonight before bed, whatever. We'll put the link in the Discord. If you're new to the channel and you haven't joined the Discord or join the Discord, join the Discord. It's completely free. It's not financial advice. It's just what I buy, what Will buys personally, what we recommend getting into based on our own technical analysis. We're not saying trust us. We're saying do your own due diligence. And if you have something to add on to what we have, add it on. If you have something to correct us, correct us. We'll talk about it. Blah blah blah. But we're good at what we do, and we don't mind helping other people, which is why we do this. So, and that's it. That's all I got to say. How about you, buddy? Watching them watch lists. Yeah, Will tell you. Will trades the watch list off the day trade watch list that I put in here for you guys. Let me see here. I'm bringing this. Yeah. Let's see. They all print, boy. They all print. Let's see. So we have on the screen. Let's go with what's my favorite one. We'll do Twitter. MU. Where do you see it? Right here, right here. 67.42 for a call. These are levels. After it crosses this level, you buy either a call, which is represented by the bull, or a put, which is represented by the bear. Bullish bears. Got it? Good. All right. So then, all right, 67.42 and 66.23. MU. Why did it not come up? Here we go. All right. What is it? 67.42. 67.42. Where do we have it? Oh, we're on the hourly. We need to go to the open. I'm a fool. Bang, here it is at open 66.79. And here we go. Went all the way up. Let's get that horizontal line so you can see 67.4. That's 43. 42. Right there. Bang, boy. You would have bought it right there. You would have went up. Sold 68.09. If you didn't sell, you'd still be up. It closed at 67.82. Good swing, good day trade. Printed either way. In terms of what? Oh, how to set the sell limit? No, we can do that real quick. Okay. So this right here is my brother's, or no, this one right here is my girlfriend's portfolio that I just started for her. So let's see, we currently have her in the charge point. Not Microsoft call. I'm a fucking idiot. ChargePoint $22 call for expiring 11/5. If I want to set a stopwatch or stop limit on this is for computer at least. It doesn't look quite the same on the phone, but it looks relatively similar. You'll go sell to close, or in the phone it has like a little gear, like a settings gear. You'll click on that. You'll go stop limit, and then the limit price is what you want to stop it at. So it's at 58 right now. Say I didn't want to lose, and my entrance right now for my average is 63. So let's say I didn't want to lose more than $5. I could set this at 0.58. Or no, I'm sorry. That's the wrong one. Stop price is what you want to do it. 0.58, and then this will automatically be whatever the active price is currently. So obviously it wouldn't want to be 0.58 because that's what it is currently. And then you would do good for day, or if good till canceled. If you don't want it to cancel the order after the trading day is over, you'll do this, and it won't expire for 90 days. And then you'll do review order, and then from there you'll go on and you'll confirm the order, and that'll be it. And then once if the option contract falls down to uh 0.58 from 0.63, or 2.58 from 0.63, then the contract would automatically sell, and that's all. You would just lose $5 no matter what, and that's that. And then in order to scale upward and raise your SL, so whenever you're up 25%, so say you bought MU here when I said, and then this right here from 60 for 6807, that would be about a 40% to 45% return on your contract, and dollar movement wise. Uh, so you would then scale out at 25%. Your stop loss would then move up to whatever you entered at. So if it's at 0.58 from 0.63, you would then move your stop loss to 0.63, which would be break even. And then you would then continue to scale up as you went. So the next 25% up, you would take or cut another contract, and your stop loss would raise to wherever you took your last profits at, that last 25% mark, whatever price range that was. So what is that? 60, or no, we'll call it 67. You would add another stop loss in here, and then you would take profits here, and then the next 25% up, or I do it next 100% up, so it'd be right in here. The next 100% up, you would then take another contract, raise the stop loss to your 50% hash mark, and then write out that last contract, and everything else is profit. Tricks to the trade, my guy. And that's how you never lose money. Or if you do lose money, it's very little compared to how much you're risking. Hoping to do one next Tuesday as long as everything schedule wise pans out. If not, next Thursday for sure. Yep. And then we'll go over how everything went call wise in the Discord, whether we won, lost, the current accuracy rating of the week and the month overall. Then we'll get one hopefully come December by the end of the year. And we'll have a yearly accuracy rating, and then after that, we feed it to the AI trader. Sounds good. All right, everybody, that is it. That is all for tonight. We'll see you.